In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Wix website. This is an important feature for ensuring that your visitors can easily reach out to you with inquiries, feedback, or support requests. Setting up a contact form is a great way to enhance the functionality of your site and improve user interaction. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Wix editor for your website. You'll find this tool incredibly handy, as it allows you to creatively design and personalize every aspect of your website. The editor is your primary workspace, so once you're there, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu that contains various icons for different functions. Here, you'll want to click on the Add Elements icon. This is where you can incorporate new features and sections into your site. Now, as you open up the Add Elements section, you'll see a range of different categories and options. Our focus today is on adding a contact form, so you'll need to look for and select the option labeled Contact and Forms. This category is specifically designed for creating forms on your site and offers a variety of ready-made templates that can be tailored to suit your needs. Once you've entered the Contact and Forms area, you have a couple of choices. If you prefer something straightforward and efficient, you can browse through the pre-made form templates available. These are essentially form templates that Wix has designed to meet common needs and are ready to use immediately. You can scroll through, find the one that fits the kind of interaction you wish to offer, and simply drag it onto your page. It's a quick way to add functionality without having to design every component from scratch. Alternatively, if you have specific requirements or a more personalized approach in mind, you can create a custom form. To do this, click on Create New Form. This option allows you to build a unique contact form from the ground up. You'll be free to add essential fields such as the person's name, email address, and a Submit button. This is perfect for tailoring your form exactly to your business needs, ensuring you capture all necessary information when someone gets in contact. Both these options provide fantastic flexibility for your site. The key is choosing the one that best meets the needs of your audience and the goals of your website. Taking the time to thoughtfully add a contact form ensures that your visitors have an easy, reliable way to communicate with you, which can lead to stronger relationships and even increased business opportunities. And there you have it. Adding a contact form in Wix is straightforward yet customizable to personal or professional needs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!